It's 4th of May and I've read the newspaper so that you don't have to. Let's see what happened in India and around the world in the last 24 hours in less than 2 minutes. The mother of all election results is out, so I'm going to come to the rest of the news in a bit. First, let's address the sweeping, historic, landmark election results that have come in for West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala and Puducherry. Starting with West Bengal, 15 years of Didi's rule, TMC is swept out by BJP Prime Minister Modi. This is the state where he pitched himself, and this is also the state where 91 lakh voter deletions happened. This is also the state which also had the highest voter turnout. It's also the state which with highest amount of voter violence, polling violence during the conduct of elections, and Mamata Banerjee alleging some kind of tampering with the EVM machines. In Tamil Nadu, the historic landmark surprises do not end. In fact, it is after 1967 that in Tamil Nadu, it's neither DMK nor AIADMK. It is actor Vijay's new party, TVK, which is in existence only for the last 2 years, and he has managed to sweep Tamil Nadu away from the hold of the Dravidians. In fact, Stalin himself lost in his constituent assembly seat. Moreover, in Kerala, the surprises are not ending, so brace yourself for it. In Kerala, Congress-backed UDF has made its way, sweep the elections, and it's for the first time since 1970 that no state in India is now being ruled by a left government. The left and the BJP all have been swept out in Kerala, and Congress has made its way back in. In Assam, BJP makes a return to power with Himanta Sarma coming back. In fact, he himself won the seat that he was aiming for. However, Congress President Gaurav Gogoi in Assam lost his seat, which was a personal blow and a huge setback for Congress. And lastly, in Puducherry, AINRC, backed by BJP, is set to come back to power as they easily cross the majority, winning more than 15 seats in the 30-seat assembly constituency. But apart from the elections, the news is not over yet, so watch part 2 for it.